Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can install the Whitestone Dome Glass EZ screen protector for your iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. So this screen protector are designed to help you easily install on your iPhone 13 or the 13 Pro with the help of the installation tray right here. And before we begin, we're going to use the Whitestone Dome Glass cleaning cloth. So I'm just going to open up one cleaning cloth and we're going to give it a good clean. Okay, just going to give it a good clean right here. So we want to remove all the fingerprints on the glass, and then we're going to use this wipes, microfiber wipes. So I'm going to wipe it down. So the goal is to make sure we remove all the fingerprint on the screen as well as any dust. Okay, after that we're going to use the dust remover. I'm going to put this frame in first. Okay, so you put the frame in to your device. It should looks like this. It's quite easy to install this glass. Now we're going to use the dust absorber. I'm going to use the big piece. And we want to remove any dust that's still hanging around on the glass. You can see there is one right here. Okay, so just go around the screen, make sure that you remove all the dust. Also, it will be helpful if you want to go to an environment where there is not much dust around the room. If there's too much dust in the room, then it will tend to come back again even after you clean it. The dust will simply just fall back onto the display. So it'll be very useful if you can kind of like go to a place where there is not much dust. Okay, next we're going to pull out the screen protector away from the base cover. So be careful that you do not touch. So I'm just going to try to get it open right here. You can see I guess kind of like bend down a little bit, and that will allow the screen to become detached from the base. Now just go slowly, you don't want to snap it. So I'm kind of like bend down a little bit on the base here and slowly peel out the glass. It helps if you bend down the base cover and then slowly peel out. You can see I'm kind of like bending down like that, and then it come off. So some dust has come back onto the display. I will try to quickly remove the dust. And then now we're going to drop the screen protector onto the tray, like so. And then we're just going to kind of like push it down. It seems like a little bit stuck in right here, so let's see if I can try to push it down. And there is a tiny little bit of bubbles. You can just kind of like push it out if there is a little bit of bubbles forming on the edge. Just simply push it out to the side. And so over here as well, I'm just going to push it out to the side. And that's it. So if there is any bubbles on the edge, just simply use your thumbs and then just push out the bubbles, and that's it. So quite straightforward. Now after we can lift up the frame. So some bubbles come back. I'm just going to push it all the way down. And that's it. You can see it's quite straightforward. The screen is very smooth and shiny. It's been designed so that it has high touch sensitivity, shutter resistance, scratch protections. It also has a vivid clarity, so if I turn on the phone, you can see what it looks like. Now before I do that, I should give it a clean as well. Just give it a clean, and then just gonna wipe it off. And let's take a look at the front. Just gonna turn off the display, and then we go around the edge and have a look. Okay, so let's test it out to see how responsive it is. Just going to drag it up and down here. It is very easy to glide up and down on the screen, and it is very sensitive, as you can see. It does not affect the use of your device. It's very shiny, very smooth to use. So yeah, overall I think it is an excellent dome glass screen protector, and it's affordable as well. It's very easy to install. You can get this for around $10. They are available online. You can purchase them online, and it is affordable. And yeah, overall I'm very pleased with this screen protector. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Now remember to keep this one. Do not throw them away, because you do have another pack that you can use later on. So if later on this one starting to crack, you have another backup to use. So do not throw away this frame or your alcohol wipes. So keep your alcohol wipes and all of this, put them back into the box so that later on you can reuse it. Thank you for watching.